Jerome Cameron. Dia macam mini mall lah. Macam-macam ada. And then kat situ hotel kita tidur. Hadapan je dengan Central Mall. Okay. Centrum ada ni. Lagu Didi and Friend. Actually dia shopping mall betul lah. Baru. Kita orang datang dulu 2-3 kali kat sini, tak pernah pergi sini. Ada banyak tempat makan, ada souvenir. Ada banyak game, tapi game kat sini mahal Satu game token RM10 per person. Memang tarikan kat sini lagu Didi and Friend. Lagu Cocomelon. Dia round lagi lah. Oh tak. Okay, jom. Budak pun naik. Bapak budak pun naik.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The bulldozer goes push and lift, push and lift, push and lift. The bulldozer goes push and lift, push and lift. We're on the move today. Let's go, we're on our way. The big tall crane goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The big tall crane goes up and down, up and down. The steamroller goes roll and swoosh, roll and swoosh.
Ini Hotel Brington. Dalam mall ni pun ada hotel.